Hey, what's up, you guys? In this video, I just want to show you that really anybody can do an app reskin because about a month ago, I let my little brother, who is only 12 years old, do a reskin just to prove that anybody can really do it, no matter what your age, no matter your knowledge of coding. To give a little background, he is 12 years old. He does not know how to code. All I did was give him a template that I have and then provide him with some instructions. And he was able to sell his first reskin for $65 on Flippa. So let me show you guys what is going on. All right. So this is the template that I gave him. It's an e-commerce app. This is my main e-commerce app that I reskin. This one I made back a while ago. I think I made it in 2015. It's using Objective-C. It's not even using Swift. Um, it is pretty hard to reskin, actually. There's a lot of different files. It's not made very well. But anyway, so this is what the app looks like. These are all the different screens and everything. So he edited all this, changed the colors, changed the name to hats. It's an app for selling hats. Um, and basically, he just reskinned the whole thing here. And what I taught him with, first I explained everything in just in person to him, of course. But for when I wasn't able to help, I made a little guide for him, and he was able to use this to be able to reskin everything. So I made this nice detailed guide here specifically for reskinning that one app, since that one is a little complex because it was made kind of badly. But anyways, he used that, and now if you take a look on Flippa, it just sold about it was probably a couple days ago or something like that. This is the 7 days ago, the app hats. This is the icon that I had him make in Photoshop. It was sold for $65, and it was just a 14-day auction. This is the description that was made, some comments people left. So on his very first reskin, he doesn't know how to code, never did a reskin before. All I did was hand him a template and give him some instructions, and he was able to sell his first one for $65. And if you think that number is a little low, I think so too. I thought it was going to go for more, but I think the fact that he chose like a hats niche wasn't the best idea. Not many people are into that, and they didn't realize that they can easily change what's listed in the app, so that probably brought the value down. Also, the icon is not the best icon, but anyway, those were a couple of things that brought the price down. I think if you chose a more open niche, like just electronics in general or clothing in general, then it would have made a lot more money. So that's the Flippa listing, and after fees, they were like $18 in fees. So he made a decent amount of money for his first reskin, and it was a pretty complex reskin too. This is a pretty hard one to reskin because there's a lot of files and a lot of different views that you have to edit. But he did a great job and made $65 while doing something that really is not too terrible. So if you were thinking before, oh, maybe I can't do a reskin, maybe I need to know how to code, maybe there's too much technical knowledge I need, this really proves that that is not the case at all. He's just 12 years old in middle school, no background in coding, never coded anything or did a reskin before, and he was able to do this just following a pretty simple guide. So I really think that shows that you can make decent money reskinning at any stage with any experience. You just put in some time and you should get results. This is just like a short video, so I'm probably going to end it now. If you're on a budget and you want to start reskinning, you should definitely check out my Reskinning Amazon Apps ebook that is free. The link will be in the description, and yeah, definitely check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be back for more videos soon. Thank you.